Dear friends, welcome back. In this video, I'd like to play around Natas again with the level 15. Of course, I've already made the video for this level, and in that video, I utilize the Python to automate the process of SQL injection. However, in this video, I'd like to take a very different way, or maybe if I can, this would be more convenient way. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get started. We can switch over to the Kali Linux VM. I've already opened up this Natas site, and I can copy this URL as starting point. And we need to do some, of course, we need to do some modification. Should be 15. And we can press enter. And the username should be Natas 15. And the password, I can copy it from notebook. Then we can fill in and sign in. No problem. And if you want to view the source code, you can click this link. And here, as you can see here, the table, one table users. And if it exists, of course, I will not go through this code again. If you want this part, please check out my another video. The link will be added into the description section below. So, just I mentioned at the very beginning, in this video, I'd like to take very different way to retrieve information by using SQL map. So how to do? We can turn or enable the proxy, and then we can launch our Burp Suite. Next, start. Then we can make sure the intercept option is on. And then we can put anything like admin and check existence. The Burp Suite intercepted this request, and then we can save this request to file. We can limit to text file rec.txt or any file name if you what you are comfortable with. Let's hit enter. Now go back. As you can see, this request, if you want, you can cut out this request. This is same as what we have already seen in the Burp Suite. So next we can use the SQL map with option of R to specify the request, and also the level can be set to 3. Because I've already go through this process, so this time the injection test will be done very quickly. So as you can see, the backend DBMS has been recognized as MySQL. So next we can use the DBS option to retrieve the databases on the target. As you can see, there are 3 available databases, and this one is what we want to retrieve further. So we can use which option? We can use the uppercase D to specify the database name, Natas 15, and I want to know how many tables with this database. Tables. There is only one table for this database, so we can use the uppercase T to specify the table name, and then I want to retrieve the column information of this table. So 2 columns I want to retrieve. I can use the uppercase C to specify the column which I want to retrieve password, and then dump. Why I put this option uppercase C? Because sometimes, or in most cases, the table will have many columns or many fields, but a few of them would be valuable, and we want to retrieve the information for these valuable columns. So this is the reason I put the option of uppercase C. Okay, so now we can dump. As you can see, we successfully retrieved the password for the next level, and we can copy it and put in here NATAS 16. All right. Of course, this way is my, my favorite way when I try to test SQL injection vulnerability. That is, I set or enable the proxy by the plugin of Fox Proxy. As you can see over here, I'd like to make very quick recap. I enable the proxy to Burp Suite, and then we can launch the Burp Suite, and then we can trigger the request from the client. Okay, anything, and then the Burp Suite can intercept such request, and then we can right-click the mouse and save file. Save the request to file. Okay, of course, I've already done that. I will not repeat this step again. Alternatively, of course, this way is good. Okay, and alternatively, we can manually specify the credentials for the HTTP basic authentication. If you cannot remember such options very clearly, we can use SQL map with HSH option, and then you can get all available options of the SQL map utility. And as you can see over here, we can scroll up, and I think we can define the username. So which one? The username and password to log in to the target, because as we know, before we try to get the credential for the next level, we must be authenticated to the current level. Okay, so the proxy, so this should be proxy authentication credentials. So the cookie, author type. So I think we can use this option, author authentication creds, and we can put like this one. Okay, so that's pretty much it I'd like to do. See you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.